Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Francisco. I'm a rig welder. I do mostly structural work. That's what I do the most. I've been doing this for 16 years. And today is a video a little bit different. Mostly, as you can see in my videos, I only post content videos of the work I do. Last video I did, I talked about my truck, which update on that I did fix, is running. I'm back to work. I'm grateful. But the video today, as you can see, I'm wearing this dope ass shirt. It's made by a company called Southern Colorado Hats, or as you can see in the logo, it says SoCo Hats or SoCo. They're really great, amazing product. I've been using them for quite a few months. I love their shirts. I also got one of their hats. Well, this I got before I ordered the shirts. The main reason I ordered the shirts is because I fell in love with these caps. They're amazing. They fit really tight. You know, they're snugged. They're all around great product. The shirts are amazing. As you can see, it has a bunch of snap buttons, which I like. It has the double here in the neck. A bunch right here in the cuffs. Great product. In the pockets, you have two great pockets with a side little pocket right here for the soapstones. More side pockets here in the sleeves for Sharpies, more soapstones, more stuff like that. They're amazing. As you can see, so made in the US. So that means great product, I guess. Their stitching, it's amazing, flawless. See, I like the colors they use. A little bit dirty, but I use them a lot. So yeah, actually that's the only thing I wanted to share with you guys. So shout out to SoCo Hats. You guys do amazing work. So yeah, that's for today, guys. So well, take care, and I'll see you next video. Bye.